In this tutorial, I'll show you how to bypass administrator on Chromebook. Firstly, ensure that your Chromebook is turned off before proceeding. Turning on developer mode will wipe all locally stored data on the Chromebook. Press and hold the escape, refresh and power keys at the same time. This will boot your Chromebook into recovery mode. After entering recovery modes, press Ctrl+D together. A message will appear prompting you to press space to enable Chrome OS. Ignore this message and wait for your Chromebook to refresh on its own. When the Chromebook refreshes, press Enter to proceed and wait for the Chromebook to beep twice. If prompt, press Ctrl+D again. This will finalize the activation of the developer mode. The first time you boot into developer mode, it might take a few minutes for the Chromebook to set up everything. Be patient during this process, and once developer mode is enabled, you'll have more control over your Chromebook, but keep in mind that it will wipe all local data and could avoid some warranties. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.